Hello, today we are working on 2022 Mercedes Sprinter with 3-liter diesel OM642 engine. This video can also be used as an installation guide for any Sprinter 907 with an OM651 or OM642 engine. This van has multiple DEF-related faults in the system. However, these faults will not prevent us from performing a software delete of the DEF system. Using this vehicle as an example, we will show you the installation process step by step. Your kit includes one OBD module and 3 micro SD cards. One of the cards is already installed inside the OBD module. Now we will show you how to use it. Before installing the device, there are 2 required steps. The first is to fill the DEF tank to full. Do not overfill it. If the tank is filled all the way to the top, the ultrasonic level sensor may not work correctly. The second step is to charge the battery. To do this, start the engine and let it run for 30 minutes. The van is ready for installation now. Turn the ignition on by pressing the start button twice without pressing the brake pedal. All lights on the dashboard should come on. Wait 20 seconds for the system to fully load. You will find the OBD port to the left of the brake pedal. For this step, we will use the OBD module with the update micro SD card already installed. Carefully plug the device into the OBD port and press it in firmly to ensure good contact. The light will turn green and then begin flashing. Wait until the light turns off completely. This will take a few minutes. Once the update installation is complete, unplug the device from the OBD port. Carefully remove the cover from the module. Take out the update micro SD card. Insert the reset micro SD card. The module is now ready for the next installation step. Next, repeat the same process again. Turn the ignition on by pressing the start button twice without pressing the brake pedal. Then wait 20 seconds. Plug the device into the OBD port. The light will turn green and then begin flashing. Wait until the light turns off completely. This will take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, unplug the device from the OBD port. Start the engine a few times and check whether the starts remaining message disappears from the instrument cluster. If the error remains on the dashboard, repeat step 1 at least 2 more times. If that still does not help, do not continue with the installation. Contact us before moving to the next step. If there is no error on the instrument cluster, turn the engine off. Remove the cover from the module. Take out the reset micro SD card. Insert the delete micro SD card. The module is now ready for the next installation step. Next, repeat the same process again. Turn the ignition on by pressing the start button twice without pressing the brake pedal. Then wait 20 seconds. Plug the device into the OBD port. The light will turn green and then begin flashing. Wait until the light turns off completely. This will take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, unplug the device from the OBD port. Start the engine and check that everything is working properly. You may still see a check engine light on the dashboard until we disable the SCR unit. Now we will walk you through the process step by step and show you how to properly access and disconnect it. Open the front passenger door and work from outside the vehicle. Step 1. Remove the 2 bolts from the step trim and take off the first panel. Step 2. Turn the 2 locks with a large flathead screwdriver and lift the floor cover. Step 3. Remove the plastic tray with the repair kit. Step 4. Remove the next plastic panel by hand. Step 5. Remove the 2 plastic rivets with a small flathead screwdriver, then take off the final panel. You now have full access to the fuse box and the DEF control unit. Finally, disconnect the outer power wire from the DEF unit and release the locking tab with a small flathead screwdriver. The installation is complete now. Once the process is finished correctly, the check engine light will be gone and you can continue driving without restrictions. You can place an order at obdtune.com. Please be available. Our manager will contact you to confirm order details within a few hours. You can also ask us questions on WhatsApp or email. Technical support is available on WhatsApp and email only. Links and contacts can be found in the description.